welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a winter Fab Fit Fun unboxing, which I'm super excited about. But before I show you what's in the box, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and follow me on Instagram, which I will have linked in the description box below. This is what the box looks like. I think it's super cute, and it matches my shirt. Hold on, I need to get scissors. All right. I don't trust myself with sharp objects at all. Well, that's a new one. I got a Kind Thin Bar, dark chocolate nut, and sea salt. I actually love these, so that's pretty cool. And I love dark chocolate, so that's exciting, but I was not expecting that to be on top of the box. Okay, I'm not looking. I don't like to look into the box. I'm just gonna reach and grab. But Katie Couric is on the front of the magazine this time. So yeah, and they're talking about common yoga moves. Get your zen on, page 18. I could probably use that. So I usually remember what I customize in the box, or like remember what the options were, but I really don't remember. So this is gonna be a surprise. Okay, this is the Flight Mode Skincare High Altitude Hydration Mask. After cleansing, when you're ready for rest, apply the mask to your face and neck and back of hands. Oh, cool. It will absorb while you sleep. So this is a sleeping mask. I love those kind. First ingredient is agua. So I don't know. Glycerin, cross polymer, polyacrylate, tocopherol acetate, polysorbate 20, aloe leaf juice. Oh, I recognize that one. Propylene glycol, cucumber fruit extract, sunflower seed oil, lavender oil, rosa rugoso flower oil, something I definitely can't pronounce, sandalwood. Anyway, well, I'm excited to try this because I love trying face masks, and I actually don't have a hydrating one right now, and I really need one because it's winter and my skin is dry. Ooh, this is cute. I like, ooh. This is like really liquidy. It's like sloshing around in there, you know? Let's see what it smells like. That's a huge factor for me. Ooh. Ooh, this smells like a spa. Oh, what does it smell like? That's gonna annoy me. It smells like a Disney hotel. Why do I always compare things to Disney hotels? It smells like you're going to a spa at a Disney hotel, but it's very thin. Like, it immediately soaked into my skin, which I like, but it feels really hydrating already where it is compared to where it isn't on my skin. Let's see how much that one costs. Oh, okay, there we go. This is a $40 face mask, with almost all of what I paid for this box, and that's just the first item. That's why I love this box so much. It's insane the value you get for this stuff, and some of my favorite skincare I've ever gotten has come out of Fab Fit Fun boxes. Also, it only comes 4 times a year, so you're not like overloaded with product you're not going to use every month. Let's move on to the next product. Lolly Tea Seed Elixir Balancing Beauty Oil. Ooh. I think my favorite thing to get in these boxes is the skincare, because it's like always really nice, expensive skincare, and I always end up loving it, so it's really cool. Ooh, I love this bottle. This is a Tea Seed Balancing Beauty Oil. Apply day and night to clean damp skin or dry hair. So you can put this in your hair too. That's so cool. Damp skin. That's odd that they want you to apply it to your damp skin. The first ingredient is camellia seed oil, which is cool. I like that. Prunus armenica oil, kernel oil, Linneum usitaceum seed oil, Citrus sinensis peel oil, Citrus paradisi peel oil, Tisopherol, something, anise seed oil. What? It's spelled ANNUUS seed oil. Rosmarinus officinalis leaf oil. Okay, I think they're just using the bougie scientific names. I think that's rosemary, some sort of citruses, camellia seed oil, some kernel oil, and anise seed oil. Oh, it smells really good. It's reassuring with some of the ingredients that are in there. So it's not a super runny oil, but it's a little bit drier, which I prefer. Some oils are super thick. This feels like it would just rub in really fast and it would absorb pretty quickly. It smells really citrusy, which it kind of smells like a grapefruit. Yeah, I definitely get grapefruit. All right, that oil was, that oil is $42. So we are already over the price I paid for this by like $40, which is crazy. Yeah, and it says this multitasking serum nourishes the skin and hair with organic tea, flaxseed, and apricot oils. All right. I didn't see none of that crap in that list I just listed off, but whatever. Tea Way, so that's super exciting. And I love that you can use that in your hair too, because girl, my hair needs some oil, let me tell you what. Next product. Dr. Brandt! This is so exciting. I love this company. Okay, Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion Pore Perfecting Exfoliator. Dude, I am obsessed with exfoliators. Oh, I love exfoliating my body, my face. It's like my favorite. I think it's really satisfying when you're all nice and soft. So this is what it looks like. It matches my shirt. So helps refine the appearance of pores and deep cleans pores. Helps smooth the appearance of skin texture. That's my problem, is like skin texture. It's the worst. So this is super exciting, and I've loved a lot of products from Dr. Brandt, and I'm pretty sure I've gotten most of them from this box, so that's amazing. I'm excited. And that is a $58 face scrub. I'm telling y'all, this is like ridiculous. What is this? Get Well Nail Recovery, London Town. This is a nail oil, I think. An intense treatment infused with a blend of powerful hydrators and strengtheners. London Town's Get Well Nail Recovery contains alpha hydroxy oils, vitamin B5 and C, and a patented strengthener that helps to hydrate and restore the nail surface and visibly fortify the nail plate. Apply one coat on bare nails and allow to dry. Use twice weekly. Can be used as a base coat. Oh, cool. Only paint my toes because I get my nails done, but that'll be nice to use as a base coat to like strengthen my nails. Does this like have like a natural smell, or does it smell like nail polish? Oh, it smells like nail polish. I didn't want to like huff that in if it was like straight nail polish smell. It is. I'm actually excited about that because that's something that you don't think to buy. At least me. Like, I'm lazy. I'm just like, oh, let me just slap some nail polish on. So that's exciting. I needed one of these. That is a $20 nail recovery. See, I definitely would not have purchased that for $20. But I basically just got it for free because I'm already well over the amount I paid for this box. Ooh, Guardian. Oh, I'm excited. More skincare. Okay. Botanic Beauty Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels. I love eye patches so much, especially because my under eyes tend to be pretty dry, so that's really exciting. Okay, so hero ingredients are cucumber, rose extract, green tea, and hyaluronic acid. Okay, I hear hyaluronic acid all the time, but I feel like I'm saying it wrong, and I need to pay attention to how people say it next time, because I hear it all the time. It's like everybody has it in all their products, but every time I go to say it, it comes out of my mouth weird. So it brightens, hydrates, and depuffs. Nice. Right, let me get this open. Hello? All right. Oh, I have scissors. Am I sitting on them? No, okay. How many are in here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you get 4 sets. It's really awesome. $25. Damn. Okay. You know, I'm more of like a Walgreens kind of eye gel person, but you know, thanks. Oh, I'm so... Dude, I'm telling you, these people know. They're in my search history or something. Freaking Daily Facial Dry Brush. I have been looking into getting one of these for my face, for like my texture, and for my body, because apparently it's like really good for that too, but I mean, I feel like I could use this on my body. Just take a little longer, but... All right, this is what it looks like. What company is it? Daily Concepts. And it stimulates cellular turnover. Okay, that's what I was reading about. That is so freaking cool. So excited about this. Oh my goodness. I need to like look up synonyms for excited because I'm tired of hearing myself say it. So I'm sure you're tired of hearing me say it. It's a $20 facial brush. Dude, more skincare you get. I'm so excited. Okay, Algenist Complete Eye Renewal Balm. I've been like religiously using eye cream morning and night just because, you know, I'm trying to like help future Hannah out a little bit, you know, so. Ooh, it smells good. All right, so this seems like it's gonna be a thicker formula. Ooh, that feels nice. Oh, that feels really nice. Like it's gonna feel good on your under eye. It's also kind of cold because it's been sitting outside, but Oh my lord, I'm so excited to use this. And it feels, again, like thick enough to feel like it's doing something, but not so thick that you just feel like your under eyes are like sticky for an extended period of time. Like I feel like I could do my makeup over this and it would be a nice base and it wouldn't make it look crazy. I don't think I can pronounce one thing that is said on here. Eye contours. Okay, within 4 weeks of use, eye contours are visibly smoothed in 91% of subjects. Puffiness appears decreased in 87% of subjects. I don't like that they're saying like subjects instead of people. Just kind of weirds me out a little bit. Dark circles are visibly decreased in 81% of subjects. I'm super excited about this one as well. Okay, no, I need to use another word. I'm very happy to have received this one as well. All right, let's check the price of it. Kate Spade has no-show socks. Wow. This is a $68 eye cream. I'm like mind blown every time I get this box. Are you joking? I think this is the last thing. Ooh, this is cool. Okay, so this is Paradox Los Angeles. Dude, I can't talk. Paradox Los Angeles Lucky Stars Blemish patches. This is really cool because I get plenty of zits that pop up and I usually use like a spot treatment, but I've actually been wanting to try one of these, so it's really cool. Hydrocolloid, I feel I'm definitely pronouncing that wrong, patch. It extracts impurities and creates a protective environment that guards against picking. Guilty. 2 powerful natural antimicrobial ingredients team up to soothe and reduce the potential for scarring. Dude, I scar so bad. That's really cool. Okay, breakouts happen. Stars, misaligned, blah, 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 blah. Okay, now let's open this bad boy up, see what it looks like. Oh, okay, I'm confused. Oh, no, some of them are coming off in there. I'm confusion. I think they got stuck to the inside of the bag or something. I'm gonna go ahead and close that, but I pulled one out. So they look like, oh, that's so cute. It's a little star. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, I think there's a little thing you have to peel off. All right, well, I feel like this could have been designed a little, okay, this could have been designed a little easier. Okay. Well, I'm getting a headache. It's just, oh, I don't even have to peel it off. All right, so let me add up the cost of all of this. Since I'm using my phone to record, I'm gonna have to use this calculator. I feel all official. All right, so the overall value of this box, excluding however much this kind bar cost, is $290. Just gonna let you sit with that for a second. I paid like $50 for this box, I think, or like 45, something around there. And the overall value is $290. So I will be trying out these products and giving you updates on how I feel about them in upcoming videos and over on my Instagram. So make sure you're subscribed and you follow over there to see how I feel about all these products, because I don't have time to test them in this video or it'd be an hour long. So we're not gonna do that. But yes, so if you want updates, make sure you're subscribed and you're following me on my Instagram. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!